guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Francesca. Nice to meet you. In today's video, we're going to be doing another FabFitFun haul, or not haul, an unboxing. So if you don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a quarterly subscription box that you pay about $59 a month. There is an annual fee. I just do the $59 one because I'm broke, but you get a bunch of different stuff for $59, and sometimes the box adds up to like over $100 in value, which I'm not mad at, and the fact that I get it every quarter is also really cool. It's kind of like Christmas every quarter, so I'm excited to show you what I got in my box. So if you want to see what I got, just keep watching. If you open the box, see all these goodies inside. So the first thing we get is the FabFitFun magazine. Usually I throw them out, but because we are doing a unboxing, I'm just going to tell you guys how much each item is, and then I'm gonna, in the corner right here, rack up how much the total box value is, so you can see if this is a good subscription box for you. So the first thing in the box is this scarf again. This is, and I have my little magazine so I can explain what everything is. So this is the Soy and Kayo woven scarf again with fringe. So it's like this beigey pinky color, and then I'm gonna have a clip of me trying it on so you can see what it looks like. So the description of this item is: this scarf cardigan crossover is crafted with signature woven fabric and draped beautifully over the shoulders, and it's $85. Would I normally pay $85 for a scarf again? No. So that's what I like about FabFitFun Box. It gives me a chance to try things that I would never really try before. The next item I have is this little backpack, and it is the Berkshire, New York Trigger backpack. This multifunctioning backpack holds all the essentials in style, and it's $100. Like, look how cute this backpack is. It's very small, which I don't mind, and it comes with different pockets. So this is the inside. As you can see, it's very spacious, and then it has these little zip pockets that I can add other things in as well. So it's really cute. I already have like a gray backpack, but you can never go wrong with a black bag, like ever. So that's cool. The next item in my box is this Daniel Stone Sandalwood Noir Room Spray. So it looks like this, and the back part says Daniel Stone Satchel Room Santal Room Spray conjures a complex sandalwood fragrance with a spicy cardamom top note. The body of the fragrance is an amber sandalwood complex enhanced by a light floral orchard accords. The dry down of amber musk supports the fragrant mango blossom and strawberries into the base of vanilla and musky notes. So it looks like this. It smells okay. I'm not really into sandalwood type smells, but what FabFitFun tells us or prices this at is $36, and they also say spritz the room with a musky blend of sandalwood and cardamom. I probably won't use this, so I would either give it away to my friend, or I'll put it on my Poshmark or my Mercari app, and I'll link both of those down below if you're interested to see what I have on those two apps. It's not that much, mostly like workout stuff that I'm not using anymore. The next item in here is this Glow Milk Nourishing Coconut and Argan Oil. So it looks like this, and then I already opened it before just to test it out. This is what the bottle looks like. It's like a rose gold oil, and so what this says, it is the Beauty Crop Glow Milk in a Blind Date, enriched with coconut and enriched with coconut, this highlighter gives you a lit from within glow, and it's 1950. This is actually really pretty. Like, I would probably use this underneath my highlight, or not underneath my highlight, underneath my foundation to like have like a glow from within. As you can see, it's like a rose gold color, and I think this would look really good with my complexion. Not mad at it. And for 1950, not bad. Next we have this water bottle, and this is the Mason Tops glass water bottle with neoprene in turquoise. Ditch the plastic water bottles and opt for the sleek glass bottle, which holds up to 20 ounces, and it's $35. I would use this, but I have 4 hydro flasks. So I'm gonna see if I can give this away to a friend, or if not, I'll put it on my Poshmark. The next item we have, I'm really excited for. It is actually, give me a second before I show you this, let me wipe these off. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. So the next item that I have are these, which I'm really excited for, these blue light glasses. So these are the Nectar sunglasses, blue light blocking glasses in brown turquoise, blocking blue light from your computer or phone to keep your eyes refreshed and lessen fatigue, and they're $45. These are so cute. Like, I already have some blue light glasses from Diff. They're like these rose gold color. I do like them, but they don't fit my face as well as these ones. I might just keep, because the ones from Diff, I have them as, it has my reading prescription, which is just one, so technically I don't really need them, but I can use these when I edit my videos. Ooh, these are definitely not going to work. And they come with this little cute pouch, but I might just order a case for them just so I can make sure that they stay safe. The only thing I wish it came with was like a glasses cleaner, but it's okay. I mean, for being in my FabFitFun box, this is actually pretty cool. The next thing I got is the 8 Other Reasons Runaway Clip Trio. Pin your hair to perfection with this trio, or resin plated pins. So these are cute. I think I'm gonna keep these because I don't really own anything these colors. They're like like marble plated pins, and they're like the pink tones. I'm more of a green girl, but like you can't go wrong with rose gold type. And then the last thing in the box, which I think this is another thing I was really excited about. This is the New York Pedicure in a Box Duo Pumpkin Spice. Made with pumpkin extract, fruit enzymes, naturally exfoliated dead skin cells, and vitamin A, C, and E to help replenish skin. And it's $20. So when you open it, it comes with like, oh, there's 4 of each. So I don't know if it's for each foot. Maybe it is for each foot. Let's see. Oh, there's 2 in each. So what I'm thinking is maybe my dad and I would like to get pedicures together. So maybe we can like try this out. He might not like it, so I guess it's just all gonna be me. Excited about that. And that's all for my FabFitFun unboxing. So again, right here is gonna be where the total of all the items are. And honestly, I think this is my most the last box I got, I wasn't really excited. I did shoot that unboxing up the cards right here. You can go click on it if you want. But yeah, I think honestly anything fall related I love. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, and also hit the notification bell just in case you want to see all my videos and want to be notified when I post. All my handles are down below, like Instagram, TikTok. I'm not giving you my Twitter because I'm not really on Twitter like that. But yeah, I'm mostly on these two apps. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.